हाय एवरीवन, आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक मोरल स्टोरी इंग्लिश में। दोस्तों वीडियो को अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा इसी तरह की मज़ीद इंग्लिश वीडियोस के लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। द राइट आंसर। द राइट आंसर। अ टीचर टीचिंग मैथ्स टू अ 7-year-old Rose asked him, "If I give you one apple and one more apple, how many apples will you have?" Within a few seconds, Rose replied confidently, "4." Maybe the child did not listen properly, she thought. She repeated, "Rose, listen carefully. It is very simple. If I give you one apple and one more apple, how many apples will you have?" Rose calculated again on his fingers, but within him he was also searching for the answer that will make the teacher happy. This time, hesitatingly, he replied, "4." The teacher remembered Rose loves strawberries. She thought, maybe he doesn't like apples and that is making him lose focus. This time, with exaggerated excitement and twinkling eyes, she asked, "If I give you one strawberry and one more strawberry, then how many will Rose have?" Young Rose calculated his fingers again with a hesitating smile. Young Rose inquired, "3." The teacher now had a victorious smile, but one last thing remained. Once again she asked him, "Now if I give you one apple and one more apple, how many will you have?" Promptly, Rose answered, "4." The teacher was aghast. "How, Rose, how?" she demanded, a little stern and irritated voice. In a voice that was low and hesitating, young Rose replied, "Because I already have an apple in my bag." Moral of the story: when someone gives us an answer that is different from what we are expecting, not necessarily they are wrong. There may be an angel that we have not understood at all. तो आपने क्या सीखा इस वीडियो से? हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। हम आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।